L'on remet avec un Haitian American. Qui pas fin tellement fort dans culture haïtienne là. Ça pas le faire petit. Ça pas faire bas ça samedi ça. Hey, bah craser moun. Pas rien kembe, pas kembe lumière rouge. C'est kozo, c'est kozo. Yo, t'as le motif femme na brelim là. What's up, baby? Hey, Giovanni, I have bad news. You have bad news? What's up, baby? What's going on? Talk to me. Well, first of all, it's not that bad, but it's kind of bad. I'm gonna have surgery this Saturday, and I'm gonna need you to be with my parents for the whole day at the hospital. You what? You what? Giovanni, are you serious right now? I just told you. You're gonna have surgery this Saturday. You want me to be where at the hospital with your parents? What? What Saturday you talking about? Giovanni, this Saturday, the 20th. What Saturday? Baby girl, this is festival Saturday. This is Haitian Saturday. This is Bodeget Saturday. This is Doba Saturday. This is Besedo Saturday. So mbakon so abdim nan la, no man. Giovanni, you know I don't speak Creole. I don't know what the hell you just said. Oh, I'm sorry, Sherry. This is Creole weekend. You need to speak Creole this weekend. Because even Chinese gonna speak Creole. Sorry. So you telling me you would rather go to your stupid ass festival than come into my surgery? Baby girl, I told you already. If your parents mad at me, tell them this is Bodeget weekend. I'm not going to be there. You know what? It's freaking over, okay? I'm done, stupid Haitian. Grapier. Même di grapier en anglais. Grapier.